ImportError, no module named when trying to run Python script. I'm trying to run a script that launches, amongst other things, a Python script. I get a ImportError, no module named. However, if I launch ipython and import the same module in the same way through the interpreter, the module is accepted. What's going on, and how can I fix it? I've tried to understand how Python uses Python path, but I'm thoroughly confused. Any help would greatly appreciated.
This issue arises due to the ways in which the command line ipython interpreter uses your current path versus the way a separate process does, be it an ipython notebook, external process, etc. ipython will look for modules to import that are not only found in your sys.path, but also on your current working directory. When starting an interpreter from the command line, the current directory you're operating in is the same when you started ipython in. If you run, you'll see this is true. However, let's say you're using an ipython notebook, run os.gitcode and your current working directory is instead the folder in which you told the notebook to operate from in your ipython_notebook_config.py file, typically using the c.notebookmanager.notebook_dir setting. The solution is to provide the Python interpreter with the path to your module. The simplest solution is to append that path to your sys.path list. In your notebook, first try. If that doesn't work, you've got a different problem on your hands unrelated to path to import, and you should provide more info about your problem. The better, and more permanent, way to solve this is to set your Python path, which provides the interpreter with additional directories. Look in for Python packages/modules. Editing or setting the Python path as a global var is OS dependent, and is discussed in detail here for Unix or Windows.
Just create an empty Python file with the name _in and _.py under the folder with showing error, while you're running the Python project.
Make sure they are both using the same interpreter. This happened to me on Ubuntu. And sys.path was different between the two interpreters. To fix it, I removed Python 3.3.
The main reason is the sys.paths of Python and ipython are different. Please refer to LucyPath link. The solution works in my case. It happened when install OpenCV by conda install OpenCV. And got import error in ipython. There are 3 steps to solve this issue. 1. Check path in Python and ipython with following command. You will find different result from Python and Jupyter. Second step, just use sys.path.append to fix the missed path by try and error. 2. Temporary solution. In ipython, the ImportError column ... issue solved. 3. Permanent solution. Create an ipython profile and set initial append in bash shell. In vi, append to the file. Done.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.